Everyone, this is Jessica Krasing, Strategic Account Manager for SoftMart, and this is your IT 2-Minute Warning. And this week is all about new technology from Microsoft. So new releases hitting the airwaves starting today, so this is October 18th. For those customers that are volume customers, you're going to see popping up into your downloads and keys section some new products. So the big ones coming out today are Windows, the desktop operating system 8.1. System Center 2012 R2, Windows Server 2012 R2, and Windows Intune. So the big things here to keep in mind are that for volume customers that have software assurance, you're automatically going to get the rights to be able to use those technologies. So if you're covered with software assurance, or in the case of Windows Intune, you're a subscriber to Windows Intune, you're going to automatically be able to start utilizing those technologies immediately. Okay. Now, the actual release date of those products doesn't happen until November 1st. So on the price sheet, those products won't show up until November 1st, which means that if you're an organization that buys license only, meaning you don't cover your license typically with software assurance, and you want to buy those new technologies, you're not going to be able to until November 1st. But for those of you that do cover with software assurance, it is available on your VLSC. And you're going to be able to see it no matter what if you've got volume agreements. So those are available to you. R2 versions of System Center and Windows Server, 8.1 for Windows 8, which I do think involves bringing back the Start button, and the newest version of Windows Intune. Now, this does create a little bit of a paradox, which you'll have to work through, and we'll be more than happy to help you. But for those of you that do want Windows Server 2012 R2, and you want the data center version, you can't buy R2 now. You won't be able to do that until November 1st. Now, November 1st, there's going to be a price increase. So you've got a little bit of decision making to make here in terms of how important R2 is to you, and would you benefit from putting software assurance on it, buying it now and putting software assurance on those licenses now. Then the other great argument for software assurance on Windows Server is license mobility. So it may be a wash anyway that you're going to need it regardless, but let's have that conversation. But for those of you that are early adopters and been waiting for those new releases, you are free to move about the VLSC and start downloading those. They are all available for you as of today, October 18th. This has been Jessica Krasing with the Strategy 2-Minute Warning. I'll talk to you next week. Thanks.